Hey, what's up you guys? I just got back from picking up my new heater core from Oreilly's, and I did the online ordering. Pretty easy process. I'll probably end up doing that again. So yeah, let's check it out and see what this heater core looks like. Very old looking box. Hopefully it's packed pretty good. Pretty basic looking packaging. Hopefully it's alright. My first impression is I'm not that impressed. These are all dented down. This thing even new. Got crushed fins everywhere. Like lots of corrosion. TSM. Well, I'm not that impressed with the quality on this. Like I said, I'm not even sure if this is even actually new. I mean, there's like so much corrosion in here. You don't say. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm trying to make a video. You need to push. So, what do you guys think? Think I got hose on this heater core here? Think I might got. Shush. Be quiet. Yeah, hush. Just long enough I can make this video? Are you gonna... Yeah, gotta be good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Think I got a used part here? Alright, well... Alright, so I grabbed the old heater core just to compare it to the new one, and I'm definitely gonna have to take it back. Not even the right one. So here's comparing to my old one, and the ports aren't in the right direction. Or, well, if you flip this around this way, then the holes are in the right spot, but they're facing the wrong direction. That's not even close. Damn. Well, I'm on the way to Oreilly's to take this heater core back because it's the wrong one. So hopefully it'll be a pretty painless process, but I'll let you guys know. And it shouldn't be a big deal. I'm just wondering if they can actually order me the correct part. And if I even want to go with these guys again, because that's pretty bad quality part. I'm not impressed with it. So we'll see. Oh. Well, they did take back the heater core. No issues there. And according to their computer, it wasn't going to fit it anyways. And there's either two things here. Either I misread it on the Oreilly's website or the Rock Auto website, which lists that 76 through 85 are all the same. I still have my doubts. I think it was swapped. I think somebody swapped it out. It looked used to me. I don't know, but either way, she said nothing was available for a 77. She recommended a radiator shop in Spokane. So that's all they do. So we'll see. Alright, so I did look this up on the Oreilly's website. The picture actually does match what I got. So here's my old heater core. But you can see that they do go the wrong direction. That sucks. But that was my fault. So I'm not afraid to admit when I order the wrong thing. So yeah, that was pretty disappointing with the heater core, but it's still pretty nice out, so I want to do a little bit more work, get something accomplished. I've been showing you guys a lot about the engine. there's a little bit more to it than that with the fire damage. So I want to show you a few more things that I have to deal with on getting this roadworthy again. And one of that is the front brakes right where the fire was at. Now I did show you where I replaced that metal line from the proportioning valve, and that runs over to the lines that go to the caliper. I did get that replaced, but here's what else I have to deal with. So if you look in here, there was some fire damage within the wheel well. I do have new brake cables. As you can see, that one is pretty bad. The other side of that doesn't look nearly as bad. They both need to be replaced for safety. Other than that, looking at other suspension stuff, I'll say that looks okay there on the tie rod. Looks like the sway bar bushings are okay. But if you look over here at the idler arm, that looks a little toasty. So definitely need to replace the idler arm. Other than that, if you look up here on the strut, there's like a rubber pad that goes around in there, and that got fried. Hey, maybe I'll upgrade to some better springs or coilovers or something cool like that. The whole wheel well, there's a lot of undercoating paint, stuff like that got just flaked off and just fell down onto the floor. The actual rust area isn't that big. It's basically just right in the middle of the camera right there. The rest of it was still pretty, I don't know, I still had the original coat on it, so surface rust area really isn't that bad that I've seen. I will get in here and get it cleaned up better before I work on it, but I'll be putting on a new undercoat after I treat the rust. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with in this vicinity of the car. Alright, well, got the part of the brake line off, and as you can see, it's I barely touched it and it's leaking brake fluid, so definitely glad that I checked the brake lines, because I think one pump from the brake pedal and that would have failed. If you ever have a car fire, check your brakes. Alright, so here is my new brake lines. I ordered a rear brake line and a front one. Maybe this is the rear brake line and this is only half the front. Oh yeah, look at that. Oop. There it went. Honestly, I'm amazed that that even had any brake fluid left in it at all. Like, I mean, I seriously barely touched it and it ruptured the line. Categorize that right there. What did I break? That's just the light, no big deal. It's a sandwich light. Be free. So I am missing a line, or I have the wrong one. So one of these is for the back brakes. So anyways, this is going to continue to spew nasty brake fluid because I don't really want it to drip on anything else and further make my already nasty paint bad. So just drain out and I'll get new fresh fluid in and it'll be all good. I like it. Works for me. Alright guys, so it's not just me. I'm on Federated Auto Parts website and looked it up for 77 Celica, and heater core right here shows 76 to 85, and they want a lot for it, 175.26. Michelle says no. Well, okay, so the list price is $175 and the actual price is $109.99. If it's the right one, we'll see. Alright you guys, so I'm going to wrap up this video. That's bright out. Even though the heater core thing didn't work out, I reached out to a Celica group on Facebook called Garage Celica, and out of everybody, all the groups, they were the most responsive. Got a lot of great comments on the last video, so I appreciate that. And shout out to Aaron. He has a spare heater core. He's not sure on the condition on it. It's got to be better than what I've got now. Might take it into a radiator shop and have them test it, or if it's bad, record. Anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.